Ano pare, tignan mo to pare, panoorin mo to. May recycle din ba yun?
May recycle din go.
Yeah. Man of the year. Yo, how to make
Sige nga, sige nga.
Nga, hindi mo magkakaugali. Documentary ito eh.
How to make a what?
Magkakaugali ito. How to make Chino's dick. Here. First
First,
eh,
first what?
mga 10 minutes to pare, 10 minutes.
Sige!
Kaya ba ng memory mo yan?
Oo, pare.
How to make Chino's dick. Ito sa swing.
Meron ba dyan ano?
Birdie.
Yung pang
Very small bird.
message alert. Huwag mo maganda.
Meron ulit.
Ano ba yan?
Video ko.
Ito easy naman eh. The first, fold there, fold. You can see it's square. Yeah. You fold it on the other side. I'll tell you why it's on the other side. Huh? Tell you why.
Ano na, lagay niyo sa ano. Lagay mo sa YouTube yan.
Lalagay niyo sa forum.
Sa photo.
Okay?
Oh, di pala boss?
This is the crucial part. Okay? Diba? Huwag na kayo maggulo.
Gusto mo para makauwi na tayo.
You fold it one by one.
2x2?
There. There. Okay, kite. You know a kite when you see one, right? And after this, you fold it again on the other side, in the other quadrant. That way it's called Chino's little dick. There you go. Another quadrant.
Gawin mo naman exciting yung show mo. Magkwento ka naman tungkol sa buhay mo, Baktad.
This must be symmetrical or the same, so you won't have it so hard in folding it later. I learned to do this when I was 8 years old. Most people know how to do this, but some forgot. It's taught in elementary school. This is called Chino's little dick. No. Okay. How do you do this now? There, I remember. I haven't done this before. Tama ba? Tama. Ano tama? This is the crucial part.
Kanino pa yung crucial part?
This is the hardest part of the code.
Construction.
Yes. See, you have to make it straight. Don't tell me you don't know this. Don't know how to do this, huh? You don't know how to do this? Hey, Viray, do you know how to do this? It's called the swan. Okay. It's called Chino's little dick. Original. See, it's so hard though. Yeah.
No, you just don't.
Gina's little dick is so hard.
Hirapan ako. Kaya naman pala. Kaya, hirap ako. Ganun. Yun, shoot ko na yun.
Well.
Bakit kasi yung pagkakot ni kanina eh. You know. O, di ba? Yeah. Now the hardest part is gone. Right?
After the crucial part,
Okay, you see, after you do this, you fold it like that. Then fold it like this. And you fold it like this. Now you're seeing the form of the... Now there's two kinds of heads for Chino's building. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this, you know, but I think this is cuter. Then,
Oh, here's the bunkhouse.
yeah, this is how to make the wings. Wings. Here. Wings. And another wing.
ano daw? Ano daw?
Then, here. Now I finished Chino's building.
You finish cutting penis little
Flying, right?
Closing pa, closing. Closing na naman. Walang closing. Tara na! Let's have this. Hindi ko makita kung
Your problem, asshole. Ganun na sa Diyos. May Tagalog pa rin eh.